right.
All right, here we go. Horizontal and vertical asymptotes. All right, A, how do we find them? Well, first off, let's look at this right here. The line x equals A is a vertical asymptote of the graph as it approaches infinity or as it approaches A, either from the right or the left. This is different. Line y equals A is a horizontal asymptote of the graph of f. If f of x approaches b, or a times x approaches infinity, or negative infinity. A whole bunch of stuff. Big thing you know that those are just the definitions for the vertical and horizontal. Basically, as we're approaching infinity or approaching a, you have a vertical, and to have the horizontal is kind of like your y equals b. Because remember, f of x is y, it equals b, so, or your a times your x. All right, so here we go. X approaches infinity. Here we have this particular one right here, 2x plus 1. Let's look at this graph right here. What does this mean? Let's just talk about the vertical. How can I find, no, I think it's the horizontal first. We'll do the horizontal first. There we go, we have those right there. Okay. This particular graph, I want you to notice, the horizontal asymptote is at x equals -1 and y equals 2. We're going to talk about how to find these in a minute. Just first off, just look at the pictures. Look at this one. Notice, this one does not have a vertical asymptote. We'll talk about why that happens in a bit. Yet it does have a horizontal one right here at, should be closer to 0, y equals 0. Had no vertical, and y equals 0 is the actual one. The red line should be down a hair. And this one here has actually the horizontal one right there, and has a vertical one at x equals 1. Right there, there's also a vertical asymptote right there. Notice, it's possible to have them looking like this here. It's possible to only have maybe a horizontal. It's also possible to have both and have things going in the same spot. They can look all sorts of different ways. Just kind of wanted to show those to you of what they might possibly look like, just for some little information purposes. All right? So, how do we find the horizontal asymptote? All right, go ahead and stop a second.